ain't been dropping vids, but you know, it's another day, man. I ain't had that motivation, but we back with another video, man. The Monte Carlo has came a long way, and we finna get that footage to y'all today. But right now, I'm finna jump in the lac. We finna go get a haircut. Once we get a haircut, man, we're gonna come back and we're gonna show y'all all the progress we done made on this Monte Carlo. Because when I tell y'all, this Monte Carlo is coming along, it's coming along nice. So yeah, let me go get this haircut. We're gonna get back and show y'all all the updates on this Monte Carlo. But like I said, let me spin this around. We in Big Shirley, man. We gotta go get this looked at too, man, because this ticking is killing me. And I know it's the water pump, so I need to get that done before I have something major happen to this thing, and then that just really gonna mess everything up. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on after I get to this barbershop and get my hair cut, and we get back to the crib, and I'm gonna show y'all this Monte Carlo. Man, finally back from the barbershop after like 2 hours trying to get my hair cut. We having some issues with Big Shirley, man. It's making a ticking noise. I need to take it in and get it looked at. I actually think it's just the water pump, because I'm starting to see the pulley starting to wobble a little bit, so I think that bearing might be going out. But man, we're gonna have to look at that on another day. But today is another update on this Monte Carlo, man, that we're gonna drop for y'all. And I mean, let me get this camera turned around and show y'all the progress we done made. I know I've been slacking on dropping videos on this car, but man, I just get so busy and consumed with life. But if I'm gonna be successful at this, man, and dropping these vids, and I gotta fit it into my schedule. So that's what we're gonna try to do. So let me turn this camera around and show y'all what we done got done. And as y'all see, we done dropped in the Blueprint 350. I was able to get rid of the control module. It's gone. Got all the extra wiring out of the way. We've been taping up the wiring that we're gonna keep. All the extra harnesses, got the headers installed. We had to go with like a mid-length Flowtech because the long tubes I got just don't fit. And making long tubes fit, even though they say they fit, they don't fit, period. So, like I said, man, we got the radiator installed, new condenser, everything's wired up. The car actually cranked, but we haven't put the fuel system in it yet. Going through the power steering, we hadn't figured out the CVF setup yet with the lines, because I bought factory lines, but they're not fitting correctly. So we're gonna have to maybe contact CVF to get some lines to fit on here. A few more little small things we're gonna have to hook up. But like I said, we're gonna keep y'all, I don't care if I'm, whatever it is, we're gonna keep y'all posted on this, man. New heater hoses all the way around. So we almost ready to fire this thing. Like I said, it'll crank, but you see we haven't hooked the fuel system up yet. It's still disconnected because I don't know what's in the tank, so I may have to drop the tank out and then look through that. Trans cooler lines we bought, they don't fit, even though they are factory, but I didn't hang the lines prior to dropping the motor in, and I guess they go in before the motor, so we're just gonna have to run some rubber lines for that. Interior, we done added a few new pieces, new console. We got new upper door panels so far. The lower door panels are on order. They should be showing up. All new T-top parts coming in. They should be showing up. Still hadn't showed up yet, but they getting there. Did the third brake light delete with the rear package shelf. New headliner piece installed. Said I've been real, it's coming along, so we're just gonna, like I said, take y'all the rest of the way with the Monte as far as we can get it. So like I said, I don't know about the transmission on this car because they cut the TV cable, and me learning now that I have to have that TV cable with this transmission set up. So I may wind up taking it somewhere who knows a little bit more about this transmission style setup than I do, because I don't want to mess that up and then wind up having to spend a couple grand on a transmission after just putting an engine in it. So yeah, man, that was just another little video on the Monte Carlo. Also, you see new tires, suspension, finally finished getting it all set up, red, everything front and rear, the tires are on. So this car is coming, it's coming together. Those new door panels, all these parts, man, that y'all see, from the brand new carpet to the console. We actually have a new dash pad coming. gauge cluster, all that's from Mike's Monies, man. That website has been good to me. I may put the link in the description below if y'all looking for anything G-body. I know Mike's Monies is big, and Dixie's Restoration. I may try Dixie's Restoration for some of the smaller stuff that I can't find, but we even got the new radio bezel, man. Brand new radio bezel for it. Y'all stay tuned, man, and stick with me in these videos, man. I thank y'all for watching all this, man. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. We're itching closer and closer to putting this thing on the ground and getting it out of the garage, man. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Thank y'all for watching.